Hi, I'm Miguel Castro and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see what we can do with some paper I recycled. With the kindness of my uncle and my aunt who runs a bookbinding and wedding album business in the Philippines, I was able to get hold of their scrap grease-proof paper. These paper are used to protect pictures from sticking together over time in a photo album. So these sheets of grease-proof paper is approximately 22 by 60 centimeters and weighs 34 GSM. So it looks like a baking paper but without the waxy surface. So let me show you how I recycled them. I diluted water with cloth dye, quickly dipped the paper, squeezed the water out carefully, then let it dry under the sun. When it was almost dried, I opened them carefully, stretched them out, and let it dry completely. This is how the recycled grease-proof paper looks like after drying. They look a little bit like crepe paper with random creases and uneven coloring. But the colors that came out of it are very exciting because nothing is exactly the same. Some absorbed tint really well, maybe because they were the first batch to be dipped in the basin of water with dye. The rest gets a little lighter pigment. This paper, in spite being dipped in water, is still tough and does not easily tear. Now, let's see how we can make use of them. Why don't we try using it as a gift wrapper for small items like a pocketbook? Let's make a bow first. Pink would be a good color. Locate the middle part of the paper with your fingers, gather and bunch them together. Straighten out both sides of the paper. With your left hand index finger, fold one side to make a bow. Gather the paper with a middle bunch. Using right hand fingers, fold the second bow, then gather again the paper with middle bunch. Straighten the tail. Done. But let's set that aside first. We'll use one piece to cover one side of the book. Then wrap another sheet across. Make extra folds if you like. Then we need a binder for it. Bunch them up, cross them together at the middle. Place the book in the middle. Wrap the 4 paper bunches across each other on the book. Position a string or ribbon, then tie them together. Once tied, get our pre-made ribbon or bow and tie it up on the top. The good thing about this recycled paper is that you need not worry about crumpling them. The rustic look makes it more unique and special. Let's try an all-purpose bow. Make a bow. Locate the middle part of the paper with your fingers, gather and bunch them together. With your left hand index finger, fold one side to make a bow. After folding the first side of the bow, put a ribbon at the middle bunch, sandwiched by the folded paper. Using right hand fingers, fold the second bow, then gather again the paper with the middle bunch. Then grab the tail, wrap it around the middle bunch. Once placed across the middle bunch, tie it up together with a ribbon. Straighten the tail. We can use this into any gift wrappings or maybe can just tie it up as it is into anything. Let's say we wanted to gift wrap a piece of cloth, maybe a throw pillowcase. Roll them up to the smallest size, wrap it like a sushi, and roll up another piece across to hold them together. Then bind it up with a bow we made. Simple but cute. Let's do door hangers. Get 3 pieces of paper, gather the ends of the 3 together, clip it, then braid it. Place the left paper over the middle paper, then the right over the middle paper, repeating alternately on both sides. Stretch it out a bit. Then tie the ends, crossing one to another end, and tie with a ribbon. Now let's make a bow. Place the bow on the braid and tie. Now we will add roses over the bow. Cut paper to the desired size of the rose you want. Fold it up. Glue the sides together. Put glue on the edge of the folded paper. Make one triangular fold at the edge of the paper strip, then making a small bunch at the bottom, gathering more paper as you turn it around all the way to the end. Let's make 2 more. Glue them together on the ribbon. Let's make another version of the door hanger, but this time with a rope-style braided paper. Get 2 pieces of paper, bunch the 2 ends with a clip. Twist the right side of the paper to the left a couple of times for the initial roping. Then twist the left paper also going to the left. Then, simultaneously, as you twist the 2 paper, cross them together creating the rope braiding. But wait, I usually do this with the end attached to a stable thing to control the braiding. Cross the ends together, tie them with a ribbon or string, then let's make another bow. Tie it on the rope braided paper. Let's do some paper roses for it. Let's glue them together. Now let's wrap a bottle for gifting. Get 3 pieces of paper, bunch them up, lay them on the table with their centers crossing each other. Tie them together in the middle. Place the bottle on top and start raising the paper one by one to the bottle. Make sure the bottle is evenly covered. Bunch up the ends of the paper at the neck of the bottle. Tie around the pre-made ribbon bow. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and next time we will try to explore more on how we can make use of this recycled paper. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, it's free, and please share this with your friends and family. See you next time.